Intense is the leading global developer of laser array modules and high-power lasers. Our technology is revolutionizing what lasers are capable of.
Intense was founded in 2000. It was a spin-out from Glasgow University in Scotland. It was founded by Professor John Marsh, who headed up optoelectronics at Glasgow University, and he today is our CTO. The potential really is to replace incumbent technologies, particularly in print and imaging, and we've developed some very unique disruptive technology in that market space. We started in print and imaging in lasers, and we're moving into high-power lasers for the industrial, medical and defence market spaces.
It's Intense's proprietary technology, quantum well intermixing, that has allowed us to develop laser arrays and high-power lasers, and which sets us apart from conventional laser manufacturers.
A conventional semiconductor laser has got a gain section and two mirrors. Those facet regions absorb light, and that makes the facet hot.
And what happens when you try and drive the laser to higher powers, you get an effect called catastrophic optical damage.
And eventually, the facet just blows off.
Now, when that happens, the laser is useless. It's finished.
In quantum well intermixing, what we do is we have a quantum well that's sandwiched between two other layers, and we mix some of those materials into the quantum well itself, and we basically can increase the photon energy associated with that part of the semiconductor. So we've got a technology that allows us to put a passive waveguide at the facet, and those passive waveguides do not absorb light, so the facet remains cool.
And that has got a huge advantage as far as the optical power is concerned. The Intense laser has got much higher power and much higher reliability than a conventional laser.
Reliability of the lasers is in excess of 3 million hours.
Using our unrivaled quantum well intermixing technology, Intense has developed integrated laser array modules with a tiny form factor, yet stunning power, beam quality, and reliability.
QWI allows us to put many lasers on one monolithic chip.
We can have 100 emitters on a single semiconductor, and therefore it only requires one package.
So we can create large arrays which are highly applicable for computer-to-plate, digital printing, and indeed some defence and aerospace applications.
The Intense generic module, called InSlam, can be configured to give you a very high power, high precision dot on a CTP plate. At the other end of the spectrum, the module can also be reconfigured for a single pass coding and marking application.
For that application, we're making wide arrays, super arrays of lasers where we place one array next to another.
With the application of quantum well intermixing to our high-power lasers, we have brought a step change in power and brightness to the market.
If we look at the defence markets, they're constantly looking for higher power, brightness, and beam quality products.
And our technology uniquely, I believe, allows us to make world-leading high-power lasers.
With an R&D facility and a manufacturing plant at our site in Glasgow, Scotland, and with some of the brightest talent from around the world, Intense is uniquely positioned to meet customers' individual needs.
Although we have laser arrays and we have super arrays and we have high power lasers, every single customer requires something different.
We use our base technology and we flex it to create very tailored solutions for different customer needs.
We've got experts on electronics, optics, electro-optics, packaging, thermal management, laser design, epitaxy design, test development, manufacture. We've got ultra-clean facility, it's a Class 100 clean room, and we've got all the equipment we need to manufacture lasers and assemble those lasers into electro-optic systems.
Changing a fundamental concept into an actual product that people buy is a difficult step to take, and I think Intense has done that very successfully.
I really do think we've got a great bunch of people within Intense and a culture that is absolutely determined to deliver whatever our customers need.
There is no other company in the world that can produce such powerful and wide monolithic arrays.
We want to be a globally recognised leader in the diode laser space, and that will be built against our QWI technology and the products we're developing and producing today.